Here's how to remove a credit card or payment method from your Roblox account. First, you need to go ahead and open Roblox on your web browser. Go to roblox.com, log into the account that has your credit card linked to it, and then you need to go to Settings. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then after, go to Settings. From the Settings page, tap on Spending, and here you will see all of your saved payment methods like credit cards and PayPal. Then go ahead, choose the credit card that you want to remove and click on Remove or Delete and confirm that you want to remove it, and your credit card will now be removed and you won't be charged in the future. If you want to add a new payment method, you can click on Add Payment Method and you can re-enter your new credit card or PayPal information. The browser app accepts all major credit and debit cards, including prepaid credit card, PayPal, and Roblox gift cards. And for in-app purchases, you can use Google Play, iTunes, Amazon, or Samsung. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.